Hi, flute players. What I would like to do is show you guys some easier ways to finger the first three notes that we're going to be learning in band, and those notes are B flat, C, and D. So the reason these fingerings are easier, I think, is because you don't have to worry so much about balancing your instrument. Because with the flute, as you probably realized, aside from learning how to get a sound out of the instrument, which, can be quite a nightmare. It definitely takes a lot of patience. Learning how to hold and balance the instrument also takes a lot of practice. So I'm going to show you a way that will at least get you started on these three notes that will make it a little less scary, hopefully. So the first note I will show you right now. For all three of these notes, if it makes it easier, as you know, your right thumb goes on the bottom of the instrument right here. For all three of these notes, your first, second, and third fingers are going to stay down on these three keys. So the first three notes, and again, so this is three notes, B flat, C, and D. This hand does not move the whole time, and this pinky stays up. Now for the note B flat, you're going to take your first finger, you're going to put it on the second key right here, so not this first key, the second key. You're also going to put your thumb on this long key in the back. So that's all you will need. It's just the first finger and the thumb key, and these three right hand fingers are going to stay down. So here's how the B flat should sound once you've learned how to get the sound out properly. So these three fingers, first finger, thumb. Put your thumb on the long key, not this part of the key. So just make sure you remember that. Now the second note, C. All you're going to be doing, literally, you keep these three fingers down, you keep this first finger down, but you lift the thumb. So 3 fingers here, first finger, no thumb. So I'm going to show you how to go back and forth between those two notes, because all you do is lift the thumb. So you see I'm going B flat, C, B flat, C. Now, moving on to D. Again, these right hand 3 fingers do not move. They stay down. You're going to have the thumb key down again, the long key. This time what you're going to do is you're going to take on the left hand your second and third fingers, so your middle finger and your ring finger. And you're going to put your middle finger down on the 4th key right here. So it's kind of weird. You skip the second key. So it's this 4th key, not this key, not the second key, not the 3rd key, but the 4th key. That's where the middle finger goes. The ring finger goes down on the key right below it. So with D, again, it's these 3 right-hand fingers, thumb, second finger on the 4th key, and then ring finger on the 5th key. Sometimes what I will do, what you can do as well, is sometimes I'll put stickers on the flute keys that you need to put, are going to be required for your fingers, just so it's easy to remember where you're supposed to put them, because I know it can take a little bit of time to figure it out. But I'm just telling you right now, these are where your fingers are supposed to go. So here's what a D is supposed to sound like. So let's go over those 3 notes one more time. And hopefully I would just practice each of these one at a time. So once again, these 3 fingers stay down. B flat, thumb key on the long key. First finger goes on the second key. C, all you need to do, lift the thumb key. And D, thumb key, second finger, third finger. So I'm hoping that's going to make it a little bit easier for you guys. These fingerings will at least get you started. And once you get more comfortable with the flute, you can learn how to do the fingerings the correct way. But I like to think of these fingerings sort of like training wheels, so that you can at least get a sound out of the instrument, start playing a few notes, and then, move to the next level when you feel comfortable. All right, so I'm hoping this is going to be helpful for you guys, and I look forward to getting you guys started on your musical journey. Thank you so much.